The cable that connects two or more computers for communication is called as transmission medium. Twisted pair cable, coaxial cables, and optical fiber. These are all different types of cables for data and voice communication. The twisted pair cable is used for voice transmission and data transmission. Dear students, welcome to CS classes. I am Ravi Kumar Kyar, lecturer in Computer Science, Vidhyaashram PU College, Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. Students, let us start our session with respect to the topic networking concepts. So, in this session, we are going to talk about transmission medium. So, this is a topic to be covered in this session. Now, let us see what is the definition of transmission medium. So, the cable that connects two or more computers for communication is called as transmission medium. So, here we know what is a network. In computer network, we have to connect two different computers together. So, if we want to connect, we have to make use of a transmission medium, or how do we the connection takes place, that is called transmission medium. So, in the transmission medium, this is the normally we use either cable medium or wireless medium. So, in this example, let us see the cable that connects two computers together in a network, that is called a transmission medium. And here there are two types of transmission medium. One is guided medium. So, one is guided medium, and under that we have twisted pair cable, coaxial cables, and optical fiber. These are all different types of cables for data and voice communication. One type of transmission medium, and second type of transmission medium is unguided medium. So here these are following are different unguided medium technologies. So they are radio waves, microwaves, satellite communications, infrared waves, and laser. So these are all different technologies for unguided medium. So a cable that connects two or more computers for communication is called a transmission medium. There are two types. One is guided medium and one is unguided medium. Now, in the next slide, let us see what is a twisted pair cable. This comes under guided medium. So here, the twisted pair cable is used for voice transmission and data transmission. So here, when we connect two computers or peripherals for communication in a network, we can transmit the data or as well as voice. So here there are two types. So here we can transmit either voice or data through twisted pair cable. Now we can see the diagram here, that this is a twisted pair cable, and here this is your twisted pair. These are here the cables are twisted. It is called as twisted pair cables. And over it, again we have so many sheets, 1, 2, 3. This is for the protection. So this is to protect the signals or any types of voices or data communication, and all these cables are twisted as many sheets. So here this is a twisted pair cable, and here the twisted pair, when the twisted pair cable is used for voice communication, it is called as voice grade medium. So it is VGM. So as we have seen in the definition, and twisted pair cable can be used for transmitting either voice as well as data. Suppose if we use the cable for voice transmission, it is called VGM, and if it is used for data communication or data transmission, it is called as DGM, data grade medium. So this is a twisted pair cable, one type of guided medium. So through this we can connect two computers for communication. This is twisted pair cable. Now in the next slide we can see types of twisted pair cables. So here there are two types of twisted pair cable. One is UTP or unshielded twisted pair cable. So, and here look at the example here. So this is unshielded. As you have seen in the previous example, this is a type of cable where there are many sheets, or this is a protection layers to protect the voice or data transmission. So, but if you look at this example here, In this example, this is a type of cable. These are a twisted pair cable and it has only one shield. So this is called unshielded twisted pair cable. So this is one type of data twisted pair cable. Now let us see the second one. So next one is under types of twisted pair cable, we have STP. This is shielded twisted pair cable. This is what you have seen the example now or in the diagram in the picture. So if you look at this, kindly observe this. Here, this is one pair of cable. This is twisted. I mean, these two are twisted pair cable and this is covered with, one is pair shield. So these one pair of cables are shielded separately. So this is one shield and similarly they have the many shield for different pair of or number of pair of cables, and over it to again over this we have one shield and this is again outer jacket. So this is how these cables are protected from outside disturbances. So this is another type of twisted pair cable, that is STP, and it is this type of cables comes with the shielding of the individual pairs of wires. This is the meaning. So we are shielding this is one pair, shielding individual pairs of wires and which further protects from external interference. This is the meaning of outer jacket and over shield. It is to protect the outside protection from any sorts of disturbances. So what are the advantage of this? Here it offers greater protection from interference. In the interference is a technical term. Normally we can say any disturbance from outside. So and crosstalk due to shielding. And here what we can do is, here we can avoid crosstalk. You know what is crosstalk? Even when you are communicating in mobile devices, sometimes we hear a crosstalk. So those things can be avoided with the help of STP cable. And what is the disadvantage of this? So here it is heavier and costlier than UTP cable. Now, and it requires proper grounding at both the ends. So what is the advantage? The advantage is that it is provide a better protection as well as we can avoid crosstalk. But what the disadvantage is that it is heavy, it is very heavier and also costlier as with compared to UTP, that is unshielded twisted pair cable, and it requires proper earthing or grounding for effective communication or to avoid any sorts of damages. So this is STP cable. Now in the next slide we see coaxial cable. So this is another guided medium. So one is twisted pair cable, next one is coaxial cable. So what is coaxial cable? It consists of a solid wire core and it is at its center, it carries the signal. Now you can see this is the picture of coaxial cable. See, this is the center core or there is a place through which the signals or it carries the signals for data as well as voice transmission. So this is the central core. Next one is a plastic layer provides insulation between the conductor and outer metal shield. So it is outer metal shield. Again, inside that you have one more a insulation is a plastic that is for insulation shield that is between the conductor as well as outer metal. Next, coaxial cable is suitable for high speed of communication. So we are using this for high speed of data and as well as voice communication, and it is widely used for TV signals and in cable TV. So this is the applications or uses of coaxial cable. Normally we are using in cable TV or in TV transmission and in cable TV. This is the coaxial cable. It has a center core that is where the signals will pass through, and over it we have a insulation cover to protect it from the outer layer or outer jacket. So this is coaxial cables. Next, if you look into here, this is types of coaxial cables. Here there are two types of coaxial cables. They are thick net and thin net. These are different types of cables. So this is thick net and this is thin net. These two are a type of coaxial cable used for different applications. So this is a coaxial cable. Students, so In this session, we have discussed about the transmission medium. Under that, we have discussed the guided medium. There we have covered the twisted pair cable as well as coaxial cable. Now, we will continue my discussion in my next class. Thank you very much.